Alright, today I'm just featuring this somewhat handy electrical tool. I prefer separate tools for these jobs, but if you don't want to have a whole bunch of tools in your toolbox, you just look for something that's kind of universal, does a bunch of different things, then these can come in handy. So I got a bad wire here, you can see I got to put a new end on it. So we're going to go ahead and cut this off. So this has got a cutting feature. Then we're going to go ahead and use the stripping section to strip back the casing of this wire. Oh, then I gotta go to the next size down. Now we got some nice fresh copper wire showing there, and we got the stripped. And we're gonna take our new end, make sure those are nice and twisted up, get that in there where it needs to go. And then on the end of this, you can see those little jaw looking things there. That's the crimping section. We're gonna go ahead and crimp this connector onto this wire. So these are not my favorite, but if you're not looking for a whole pile of tools in your toolbox, then you can get away with using something like this. It does, multiple things, but they do the trick. Get that wire clamped on there. Okay, we got that clamped on, it's staying nice and tight. You can see we got it crimped down. This is the sending unit for the gas tank on a 1966 Dodge Power Wagon. I'm going to go ahead and slip that down over it, like so. Place the nut, tighten it up. We'll be good. Now I just put a new sending unit in this tank as well. So I'll just get a wrench, snug that up, and we'll be done. So if you have a bad wire that needs some repair work to it, these are kind of an all-in-one tool. I personally don't care for them. But if you're not looking to haul out a bunch of tools, you just got a quick repair like this, you can get by with these. I'll put a link for these down in the description in case it's something you're interested in. They make, several brands make them, so you can check them out if you're interested. Hey, thanks a lot for swinging by. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.